Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is state of infrastructure in India. Traditionally the government has solely responsible for the developing the country infrastructure, but it was observed that public sector investment in infrastructure was inadequate. As the result, private sector is jointly partnership of government start playing a significant role in the infrastructure development. Majority of our peoples live in rural areas, so despite so much technical progress in the world, rural women are still using biofuel such as crop residuals, ducks, fuels, woods to meet their energy requirement, and rural residents walk long distance to fetch water and other basic needs. According to the census 2001, in rural India, only the 56% of households have the electricity connections, and 43 uh, still are use kerosene. About 90% of rural households use biofuel for the cooking. Tap water availability is limited only to 44% for rural household. About 76% of the population drinking water from open sources such as well, tank, ponds, lake, river, canal, etc. And access to improve the sanitations in rural areas only 20% only. In other words, we can say that lack of adequate infrastructure at the time of independence, the government took its upon itself tasks of development of the infrastructure through planning. The public sector investment in infrastructure was inadequate, and investment by the private sector also start flowing in the economy now. Both public and private sector are working together to develop the infrastructure. The investment on infrastructure, it is widely understood that the infrastructure is the foundation of development. India is yet to wake up to call. India invested only 34% of its GDP on infrastructure, which is far below as compared to China and Indonesia. It is projected that India will become one of the largest economy in the world a few decades from now. From that to happen, India will have to boost in its infrastructure investment, and change in the composition of infrastructure is required. First, in any economy, as the income rise, composition of infrastructure required to change significantly. For low income countries, basic infrastructure service like irrigation, transport, power are more important. As economic mature and most of these basic consumption demand are met, the share of agriculture in the economy shrink. More service related infrastructure is required. This is why the share of power and telecommunication infrastructure is greater in high income economies. Infrastructure and economic development of infrastructure and economic development of a country go in hand. Agriculture depend to considerable extent on the adequate expansions and development of irrigation facilities, where industrial progress depend on the development of power and electricity generation, transport, communication. If the proper attention is not paid to the development of the infrastructure, it is likely to be act as a serve constraint on the economic development. So importance of infrastructure is that efficiency working of modern economy, modern agriculture, economic development, improving the quality of life, employment generation, and other means foreign direct investment facility, outsourcing, etc. Means most important the improving the quality of life. Infrastructure improve the quality of life of public. Inadequate infrastructure can multiply adverse effect on the health. Improvement in water supply, sanitation have large impact on reducing pondness to fall ill from major waterborne diseases to reducing the severity disease when it occur. And the quality of transport communication infrastructure can access affect access to healthcare. And air pollution safety hazard connected to transport also affect particularly in the densely populated area.